Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting smartwatch releases that's been generating serious buzz in the tech and fitness communities, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. This watch is not just a step forward, it's shaping up to be a game changer. In wearable technology, outdoor tracking, and health monitoring. If you're passionate about cutting-edge fitness devices, top-tier navigation tools, and advanced smartwatch ecosystems, you've landed in the right place. Let's break it all down and explore why the Fenix 8 Pro could easily become your next essential companion, whether you're scaling mountains, crushing marathons, or managing your daily routines with precision. Deeper integration, the power of the Garmin ecosystem. Let's begin by talking about one of the biggest strengths of the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, its seamless connection within the Garmin fitness ecosystem. This isn't just a standalone watch, it's the beating heart of Garmin's ever-evolving health, fitness, and lifestyle network. Through Garmin Connect, the Fenix 8 Pro automatically syncs all your activity stats, whether you're conquering a morning trail run, powering through an intense swim, or logging a challenging hike. Everything, from your heart rate zones and VO2 max readings to recovery status, training load, sleep patterns, and even personalized workout suggestions, is instantly analyzed and stored in the cloud. The Fenix 8 Pro isn't just tracking your performance, it's proactively guiding you towards smarter, more effective training. It's like having your personal trainer and a real-time data scientist on your wrist. Sensor innovations and enhanced health tracking. Garmin isn't just offering incremental updates here. The Fenix 8 Pro is expected to introduce significant sensor upgrades that will elevate its health monitoring capabilities to new levels. We're talking about next-generation heart rate sensors and far more accurate SpO2 tracking, which is especially critical for high-altitude athletes, mountaineers, and those who monitor respiratory health closely. Garmin is also expected to refine VO2 max precision to help endurance athletes better understand their cardiovascular efficiency over time. The stress tracking system is getting smarter too. Real-time prompts for breathing exercises, mindful breaks, and guided rest periods could help users avoid overtraining and burnout, a critical edge for anyone pushing their physical and mental boundaries. A stylish transformation, new design and customization options. One of the key things Garmin seems to be focusing on with the Fenix 8 Pro is wearability and versatility. Gone are the days when rugged meant bulky and unattractive. Leaks suggest that the Fenix 8 Pro will offer premium materials like titanium bezels and a wider variety of straps, from durable silicone for intense workouts to sleek leather bands. For professional settings, Garmin is making it clear, this is a watch for all occasions. Whether you're climbing a steep ridge at sunrise or sitting in a corporate boardroom by noon, the Fenix 8 Pro is built to fit seamlessly into both worlds. Customization is stepping up too. Garmin is expected to expand interchangeable band options significantly. You'll be able to easily swap between sport, casual, and luxury looks to match your mood, outfit, or activity. It's a thoughtful touch that increases the watch's everyday appeal without sacrificing its hardcore performance. Exceptional battery life and solar charging evolution. Garmin watches have always been praised for their impressive battery life. But the Fenix 8 Pro is taking it further, with a high-efficiency micro-LED display combined with Garmin's enhanced solar charging technology. This smartwatch is expected to deliver truly exceptional battery performance. Some reports suggest the possibility of going days, even weeks, without needing to recharge. That's not all. The Fenix 8 Pro is likely to introduce an intelligent power management system that learns your habits over time. For example, if you regularly check your stats, sleep tracking, and GPS routes at predictable intervals, the watch will automatically optimize screen brightness, update cycles, and background apps to conserve power without compromising functionality. This type of adaptive battery management is perfect for ultrarunners, hikers, backpackers, and travelers who may not always have convenient access to charging stations. Navigation, safety, and real-time tracking. Outdoor adventurers dream when it comes to navigation and safety. Garmin continues to lead the pack. The Fenix 8 Pro is expected to feature next-level GPS precision, leveraging multiband GNSS technology to deliver incredibly accurate tracking, even in dense forests, deep canyons, or urban jungles where signal reliability is traditionally shaky. Safety is also getting smarter. Garmin is rumored to improve its incident detection system dramatically. If the watch detects that you've fallen or been in an accident, it can automatically send an emergency alert with your live GPS location to your pre-selected contacts. In addition, Garmin is reportedly refining SOS signaling and emergency communication tools for those who venture far off the grid. This could be a life-saving feature for climbers, bikers, trail runners, and outdoor explorers. Another powerful feature is real-time location sharing. Paired with LTE connectivity and the Garmin Connect app, your loved ones can track your live location during your adventures, adding an extra layer of security and peace of mind. Smart features and entertainment on the Fenix 8 Pro isn't just about hardcore fitness and outdoor missions. Garmin knows that people want more from their smartwatches today, especially when it comes to everyday convenience. That's why the Fenix 8 Pro is expected to support offline music storage, allowing you to load your favorite playlists, podcasts, or audiobooks directly onto the watch. Pair it with your wireless earbuds, and you can enjoy your run, hike, or gym session without needing to bring your phone along. Garmin is also improving Bluetooth connectivity and wireless sync speeds, meaning you'll get your calls, texts, calendar updates, and smart notifications right on your wrist, faster and more seamlessly than ever. While brands like Apple and Samsung prioritize app ecosystems and smart assistants, Garmin continues to focus on performance-driven, fitness-first solutions. The Fenix 8 Pro isn't trying to replace your phone, it's trying to enhance your lifestyle. How the Fenix 8 Pro compares to rivals. When you stack the Fenix 8 Pro against competitors like the Apple Watch Ultra, Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, and even Suunto or Polar devices, some critical differences emerge. Apple and Samsung dominate the general smartwatch space with tight smartphone integration, app stores, voice assistants, and extensive smart home controls. But Garmin remains laser-focused on athletes, adventurers, and outdoor enthusiasts who need accurate, reliable, and independent performance tracking, often in environments where a smartphone isn't practical or even possible. The Fenix 8 Pro's ability to operate phone-free while offering advanced GPS, offline maps, emergency features, and detailed health metrics gives it a unique edge. It's not trying to be a smartwatch that occasionally does fitness, it's a serious fitness tool that happens to have smart features. Pricing: is it worth the investment? Let's talk about the price point, because the Fenix 8 Pro isn't going to come cheap. Considering the premium build materials, cutting-edge sensor tech, solar charging capabilities, and the new display technology, it's safe to say this will be a premium-priced smartwatch. But here's the thing, you're not just buying a watch. You're investing in a powerful training companion, a reliable safety device, and a long-term fitness ecosystem. For casual users who enjoy light jogs or weekend walks, the Fenix 8 Pro might actually be more watch than you need. Simpler models, like the Garmin Forerunner series or the Venu lineup, may offer plenty of functionality at a more affordable price. However, if you're a serious runner, triathlete, traveler, climber, or someone who thrives in the great outdoors, the Fenix 8 Pro's feature set could justify the higher cost. The future of Garmin, a preview of what's next. The Fenix 8 Pro isn't just about this generation, it's about setting the stage for Garmin's future direction. With this release, Garmin is pushing toward better AI-powered training insights, deeper device integration, and smarter safety protocols. Imagine future Garmin wearables automatically syncing with chest straps, bike computers, power meters, smart scales, and even upcoming health tracking gadgets. The Fenix 8 Pro could become the center of your fitness and outdoor ecosystem, pulling in data from every part of your training routine and providing actionable feedback in real time. Stay strong, stay smart, and I'll see you